I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an active Google account and enough storage. This prevents interruptions. Once signed in, enable Notebook LM from Labs or the product list and accept permissions so the tool can read your files. Next, collect a curated set of PDFs, docs, and notes to upload. This shapes the initial knowledge base. Do this now so the system has meaningful context. Make sure your files are organized into folders for faster import and clearer indexing. Once your files are ready, upload them in manageable batches rather than all at once. This keeps indexing reliable and faster. As you upload, name and tag documents clearly to help Notebook LM surface the right answers later. Monitor the indexing progress. Look for error messages about unsupported formats or failed uploads, and fix them by converting files to PDF or Google Docs. If indexing stalls, retry the affected batch and check your network. These steps reduce noise and make the model's responses more precise. To finalize, run several targeted queries that reflect your typical use. This verifies recall and relevance. If answers are off, adjust document selection, rename files, or add clarifying notes to the corpus. Make sure sharing and permissions are set correctly so Notebook LM can access files long-term. If you encounter persistent errors or odd results, clear your browser cache, re-authenticate your account, and re-upload the problematic documents. This one troubleshooting step resolves most indexing and permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.